Hey guys, it's Jarek with Michelle's today. Today I'm going to do sizes 12 through 20, I think. It's just 12 and up basically of our short dresses that we have to offer for you guys. Make sure that you bring in your short dresses so if your homecoming or fall formals, we are ready to start selling those. So it's a good time to get those in here so we can sell them for you. So the first one that I have for you guys is this burgundy. It is stunning. It is a satin skirt with a lace top, and it has some beading through the middle there. It does have a little keyhole in the back here. It is this illusion lace up on top and then through the neckline on the front too. It's a zipper back. It is brand new. It retailed for $115. It's a size 12 and we have it for $75. The next one I have is this red one. It is a red satin. It's got tulle underneath the skirt to make it a little fuller down there. It also has pockets, which is always super exciting. The bodice here has black beading and the sweetheart neckline there. The back is just nice and simple. It's a zipper back. It retailed for $500. It's an Angela and Allison. It's a size 12 and we have it for $226. Next one I have is this kind of blue kind of teal chiffon skirt here, and then the bodice is fully beaded in AB and teal blue kind of mint green beading. Has a nude underlay. The back has illusion fabric and it's fully beaded. It's very pretty. It is a side zipper. It is an Alice. It retailed for $250. It's a size 12 and we have it for $120. The next one I have is this lavender. It is a tulle skirt, so it's nice and poofy. It does have beading on the neckline there, that illusion neckline. Also down on the stomach area right there. Some ruching here. It's an illusion back there with beading down on your back. And then it goes right into that tulle skirt back there. It is a side zipper also. It's also an Angela and Allison. It is brand new. It retailed for $372. It's a size 10 and we have it for $250. This next one is one of my absolute favorites. It is long sleeve. It is beaded pretty much all the way. It has, the fabric here is like lace, if you can tell. And so it is absolutely stunning. It does have a nude underlay there. But the thing about this beading is it's like black, but it also has like a dark, like kind of a forest green color beading in it too. It is long sleeve once again. It has beading on the sleeves right there. And the back is totally out. It has a cross strap here and then there's the bottom of it right there. But it's super stunning and it'd be great for a fall formal or a homecoming. Let's find our tag. It is a Rachel Allen. It retailed for $500. It's a size 12 and we have it for $305. The next one I have is a little more simple. It is just a basic navy tulle skirt with a little satin waistline and then it's totally sequined up on the bodice here. The back of it is a little V neckline. It's a zipper back. It's just nice and simple, but it's still really fun and cute. It is a size 14 and it's $52. The next one I have is this peacock looking one. It's fully beaded. There's stones everywhere and it's got that almost like an iridescent peacock kind of stone is what it basically is. And so it's glitter, like it's gonna shine that green and blues and purples. It's very, very pretty. It's fitted, it's a sweetheart neckline, it's a zipper back. It's just very stunning. It retailed for $450. It's a size 4 and we have it for $199. Okay. Next I have is this red satin and black two-piece. The skirt is of course that red satin. It does have pockets. And then the bodice here is black with lace and it does have some beading on it just to give it that little bit of shine. It is a zipper back for both the skirt and the bodice. It is size 14. It retailed for $170 and we have it for $99. The next one I have is this coral kind of orangey color. It has tons of really big iridescent stones on the top here, that sweetheart neckline. Really cute ruffles on the bottom. It is a lace-up back, so the size can change for you depending on what you need. It is a size 16 and it is $78. Got about 3 more for you guys. This one's basically the same kind of style, has that sweetheart neckline with tons of stones lining that neckline. It also though is sequined all the way on the bodice. The skirt is that ruffles. It's a very tulle ruffle. It also is a lace-up back. It retailed for $300, it's a size 16, and we have it for $165. So there's that top again. It's very shiny on the bodice. The next one I have is this other teal chiffon. It is very soft and flowy. It does have some beading. It's kind of a floral design up there. There's the back of it. Just nice and simple in the back. It is a sweetheart neckline. It retailed for $120. It's a size 16 and we have it for $55. Alright, the last one that I have for you guys that I wanted to show you is this nice basic navy. It does have some ruching, some bubbly kind of effects here on the skirt, and then there's a little waistline for you. Just a nice and simple straight across. It's just going to look really nice and simple and elegant on you, and it's going to be just right for what you need it for. It is a David's Bridal. It's a size 20 and it's $55. So guys, this is just a sampling of what we have for sizes 12 through up, whatever. I think our biggest size right now that we have is a 26. So we have plenty to choose from in our upper sizes, and so don't pass us up for when you're looking for your dress. Definitely bring your dresses in so we can consign them for you. That way you can get some money out of it and you can go ahead and buy your dress for next year. Thank you guys. Bye.